As soon as you enter Hall 9, you will find GrandSecu booth. Let's get inside together.
This year, GrandSecu came to CPSE stronger than ever. The exhibition offers great potential for both domestic and international markets, and we are glad to be part of it once again.
Visitors can explore GrandSecu's full range of products and innovations in smart security.
Our entire sales team is here to communicate with visitors directly, answer questions, and provide product demonstrations. We've received great feedback and a strong interest from our partners and clients.
It's been a successful and inspiring exhibition for GrandSecu. To know more about our products or discuss cooperation, feel free to contact us anytime.